I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the image and immediately confirm its license terms. This determines how you may use it. Use common search filters to narrow by file type and media. Once you find a promising file, open the file page and read the license block. Copy the exact attribution text and note any no derivatives or non-commercial restrictions. Make sure to download the highest resolution available. This preserves quality for cropping or scaling in your project. Once downloaded, prepare the file and craft an attribution string that includes title, author, license, source, and any modifications you made. You should keep metadata like EXIF if relevant. This aids provenance. If you plan to modify or combine images, verify that the license allows derivatives and that your chosen output license is compatible. Make sure to embed or display the attribution where viewers will see it, such as image captions, credits pages, or alt text for accessibility. To finish, either use the downloaded image with your prepared attribution or upload a derivative to Commons using the Upload wizard, supplying the original source, accurate author, and license details. For web publishing, add a caption with the attribution and include machine-readable metadata when the platform supports it. If a problem arises, like a license dispute or missing credit, respond by correcting the attribution, contacting the uploader, and keeping evidence of source and license to resolve potential removal or takedown requests quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.